Hello class 8 candidates, welcome to today's lesson. I'm going to take you through a mathematics lesson. Remember, we are in the unit measurement. In the previous unit we looked at volume. And whereby we said volume is the amount of space occupied by an object. Today we are looking at capacity. Volume and capacity are somehow related. Capacity is the amount of liquid that a container or an object can hold. So capacity is the amount of liquid that a container can hold. There are different units of capacity. The units of capacity, we have the liter, that is L. We have the milliliter, that is ml, and we have the deciliter, that is BL. There are other units which are used when measuring capacity, but these are the main units that are used. These are the main units used when measuring capacity. Now, there's the relationship between these units of capacity. We say that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. We also say that 10 deciliters or 1 liter is equal to 10 deciliters. 1 liter is equal to 10 deciliters. And we can also say the relationship between milliliters and deciliters. We say that 100 milliliters is equal to 1 deciliter. That is the relationship between the units of capacity. Because sometimes you can be told to change one unit of capacity to another. For example, change 10 deciliters into milliliters. So with this in mind, that 1 deciliter is equal to 100 milliliters, that is very much possible. Now, we also have the relationship between volume and capacity, the units of volume and the capacity. The units of volume and the capacity. Whereby we say that in the relationship between volume and the capacity, you can be told to convert the units of volume to the units of capacity. So it is 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeters. What does this one mean? A cubic tank that measures 10 centimeters, that measures 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. A cubic water tank or a cubic container that measures 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters high will occupy only 1 liter of a liquid of water. So the volume of this cubic tank is only 1000 cubic centimeters. So that is only 1 liter. Now, a cubic tank which measures 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter as a volume of 1 cubic centimeter, as a volume of 1 cubic meter. So this cubic tank will hold 1000 liters. That cubic tank will hold 1000 liters. So that one tells us that 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters. 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters. That means a water tank or a container that measures 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter high will occupy 1000 liters of water. And so a water tank or a container that measures 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters will be able to occupy 1 liter of water. An example. I want to give you one example. A rectangular water container measures measures 4 meters by 3 meters by 2 meters high. How much water will this container hold when full? A rectangular container measures 4 meters long by 3 meters wide by 2 meters high. How much water in liters will this container hold when full? So, to begin with, we have to look how to find the volume of this tank. How do we get the volume of a rectangle? Volume of a rectangle is given by length times width times height. So we take the length, which is 4 meters times a width of 3 meters times a height of 2 meters. So 4 times 3, which is 12, times 2, which is 24. So the volume of this container is 24 cubic meters. The question is asking how many liters will this container hold? So you convert, given that 1 cubic meter is equals to 1,000 liters, so to convert cubic meters to liters, we multiply by 1,000. So the capacity of this tank will be 24,000 liters. The capacity of this tank will be 24,000 liters. The volume is 24 cubic meters, but the capacity, that's the amount of water it will hold when full, is 24,000 liters. I give you another example. So when you are told to get the capacity of any solid, you only get the volume. Then after getting the volume, you convert to liters or deciliters. Another example. A container or a packet holds 2 deciliters of juice. A container or a packet holds 2 deciliters of juice. This a class has 24 pupils. A class has 24 pupils. Each pupil was given 2 deciliter packets of juice. Each pupil was given 2 packets. And remember, 1 packet holds 2 deciliters. Then the question asks, how many liters did the pupils take all together? How many liters did the pupils take all together? A packet of juice holds 2 deciliters. A packet holds 2 deciliters of juice. A class has 24 pupils, and each pupil was given 2 packets of the juice. How many liters did the pupils consume all together? So, what are we going to do? 1 packet holds 2 deciliters. Each pupil was given 2 packets. So one child took 2 packets times 1 packet holds 2 deciliters. So it is 2 times 2, which is 4 deciliters. So one child took 4 deciliters of the juice. And remember, the class has 24 pupils. So 24 pupils will take 24 times 4 deciliters. This is 96 deciliters. So 24 pupils took 96 deciliters. The question is asking, how many liters did the pupils consume? Remember, we go back to this place here. 1 liter is equals to 10 deciliters. So 96 deciliters is the same as how many liters? We cross multiply. So this one will be 96 divided by 10, which is 9.6 liters. So that is how you do that question. Do more examples on volume and capacity to make sure that you understand the concept. Thank you.